I am a huge shrimp lover. That's why today I'm gonna teach you how to make my favorite chili shrimp with my Pico De Gallo, and we're gonna top it off with some nice feta cheese. It's the perfect bite for movie night or as an appetizer. Let's get cooking. I'm gonna season my shrimp with some salt and some chili powder. The chili powder is gonna give it a nice color and a nice smoky flavor. We're gonna get a nice hot pan, some good olive oil, and we're gonna place our shrimp seasoned side down. I deveined and cleaned this shrimp. And here's a nice little trick. Run your knife through the back of the shrimp. So now that our shrimp is getting a nice, beautiful seared color on that side, we're gonna season the other side with some salt and some more chili powder. Now for our Pico De Gallo. You could use regular red tomatoes, but since I like color, I'm gonna use a combination of yellow tomatoes, red tomatoes, and green tomatoes. There you go, and now for our red onion. And last but not least, our cilantro. We're gonna season this with the juice of 2 limes. Some salt. And we're gonna give this a nice toss. Look at the beautiful colors in that. It's time to start plating. So, I like getting a few pieces of shrimp. Look at those beautiful shrimp. And just tossing them around everywhere. And then with a nice spoon, I like adding a small amount of our Pico De Gallo. And we're gonna top it off with some feta cheese. And there you have it, a delicious pan-seared chili shrimp with our Pico De Gallo. But before we go, let's give this a try. Here we go. This is the bomb.